guys, we've got a quick ab workout, no planks involved. Get on your mat and let's get started with both pose hold. While sitting on your mat, lean back slightly. Lift your legs up and keep your chest tall. Hold here and keep your core tight. Don't let your lower back sink.
Oh yeah, I know that you ain't gon' get a second chance. Got one life until it ends. Better catch your breath and go get ready now. Till nothing's left, no, I ain't gon' let me down. I was meant to play the game, this like to entertain. I'm popping bottles from never stopping.
Nice work everyone, short 10 seconds rest. Alternating jackknives is next. While laying on your mat, extend your arms overhead and legs out. Bring one leg up as you reach it with the opposite hand. Then go back down and repeat with the other side. Keep it slow and controlled.
Turn my simple life into something that is rare. Oh yeah, I know that you ain't gon' get a second chance. Got one life until it ends. Better catch your breath and go get ready now. Till nothing's left, no, I ain't gon' let me down. Tell me what you want, think about what you need to do. You ain't got shit to prove.
Great work guys, rest up. Hollow body hold is coming up.
Yeah, this shit's exciting, it's got me feeling ignited. Yeah, go all in on something new. Trust your gut.
While laying on your mat, lift your shoulders up slightly and extend your legs out. Hold this position and keep your lower back pressed into the mat.
Shots out to the race, move fast. If you wanna get ahead, gotta get it when you gas. When I get a head start, never wanna look back. So it's 5 a.m. on the raid that's back. Push past any pain that's drag. If you wanna be the best, gotta pace with the baddest, the fastest. Go savage, full package, gotta turn into something new. I don't like the negativity, it won't get the best of me. I'll stay on the course and see my dreams unfold in front of me.
Catch your breath, roll up is next.
I love it, I ain't gonna stop. Pop off the top, yeah, got this shit to share. 13 million deep, feeling venues everywhere.
While laying on your mat, extend your arms overhead. Use your core to get up into a seated position, then slowly roll back down. Take your time and stay controlled.
Ain't gon' get a second chance. Got one life until it ends. Better catch your breath and go get ready now. Till nothing's left, no, I ain't gon' let me down.
Nice work everyone, that bug is coming up.
Let's go. Time to grind, get inside your mind. Yeah, we working overtime. That's the
While laying on your mat, lift your legs up into a tabletop position. Extend your opposite arm and leg out, then bring them back in and switch sides. Keep your core tight.
Chip away, I gotta fight. Ain't nobody else in sight. Man, I think I see the light. Yeah, that shit is so bright. Follow me, I got the guide. See you on the other side, son. Ain't nobody know what I've been through. Ain't nobody know what I can do. I'm ready to go into battle. I'll put on a show, razzle dazzle. I'm about to take off. Never gonna stop till I'm chilling.
Short rest now and we'll move on to flutter kicks.
Never gonna stop till I'm chilling at the top, yeah. So get out my way.
While laying on your mat, lift your shoulders slightly and extend your legs out. Flutter your legs up and down in small controlled movements. Keep your lower back pressed into the mat.
I'm a vet, cause I work with every breath. Man, I love the taste of sweat. I won't have any regrets. They get upset when they trying just to rest. And I'm still right at my desk. Make them all feel so pressed. Yeah, but that's the test. If you wanna be the best, it ain't easy, it's a mess. If you wanna...
Well done everyone, reverse crunch is coming up.
Drive it deep into your chest. Every failure is a test. Learn the most, leave the rest. Ain't nobody
While laying on your mat, bend your knees and lift your hips up using your core muscles. Lower back down slow and control and feel the burn.
I'll put on a show, razzle dazzle. I'm about to take off. Never gonna stop till I'm chilling at the top, yeah. No, I'm about to take off. Never gonna stop till I'm chilling at the top, yeah. So get out my way, I'm here to stay. You can try another day, yeah. Cause I love the taste of winning the race. Gold medal, first place, yeah. Never gonna stop till I'm chilling at the top.
Great work everyone, more than halfway through the workout, not long to go. Bicycle crunch leg drop is next. While laying on your mat, twist your elbow towards your opposite knee like a bicycle crunch. As you crunch, hold it while the other leg perform a leg drop by raising and lowering. Then crunch on the other side and repeat the leg drop again. Keep your core engaged.
Feel the shift, feel the change, man, it's happening. I feel like we're losing our minds, nothing's balanced, yeah. We're wasting time on our phones, it's distracting us. Imagine just abandoning the hold that they have on us. I know it's hard, I ain't saying cold turkey. We're working and struggling and thirsty, it's early.
Nice work, short rest, figure 8 is next. We are more than halfway through already, keep going.
Time to move, time to take control. Cause time is money and wasted time will make you old.
Sit on your mat and lean back slightly, legs lifted. Move your feet in a figure 8 motion. Stay balanced and keep your core tight.
I think the music's made to change the world, connect our souls. I hope that I can make a change and help the world do more. As the world burns to ashes, I know I'll get past this and whatever happens, I'll never back down, I'll never give up. As the world burns to ashes, I know I'll get past.
Rest up, bent leg crunch is coming up.
I need some peace of mind, I think that everything is fine. Give me a sign that everything will be alright.
While laying on your mat, bend your knees and keep your feet lifted. Crunch up towards your knees, then lower back down slowly. Keep your core movement small and controlled.
It repeats, it cycles, it's right in front of you. So understand that you'll be fine if you can make it through. These rough times take people and make them gladiators who like, fight, crave cycles that'll make us greater. They rise up, taking head on, facing any danger, and build a brighter future, yeah, you could thank us later. So don't give up, don't get caught up in the noise. We got a future, gotta raise these younger girls and boys. Turn them into doers and movers, we got a choice. We create a generation that can never be destroyed. As the world burns to ashes, I know I'll get.
Nice work everyone, suitcase crunch is next. Just 3 more exercises to go. While laying on your mat, extend your arms overhead and legs out, crunch and bring your knees in at the same time, reaching your hands over your knees. Extend back out and repeat.
I wanna feel alive, feel the blood inside my veins. I wanna slow the time, will you slow it down with me? I think I need to find what it means to be okay. It's broken by design, can't live life without some pain, yeah. And I know I'll keep running, no, I'll be something you won't see me coming. I grow, I keep punching, I grow, I keep hunting. No, I need nothing, supposed to be something so close to me. Jumping out in the worst kind of.
Great work, short rest, knee tucks is coming up. Just 1 more exercise after this.
I don't know what to say. You wanna fall in love, but don't wanna feel the pain.
Sit on your mat and lean back slightly. Bring your knees in towards your chest, then extend your legs back out. Keep your chest lifted and stay controlled.
You ain't never gonna slow me down, cause I feel alive now.
Final exercise of the workout. Rest up and get ready for toe touches.
Wish I didn't feel this way, but with this kind of mind, I will figure out my lane, yeah.
While laying on your mat, lift your legs straight up, as straight as you can. Reach your hands towards your toes, lifting your shoulders off the mat.
My mind's feeling low, say I'm fine, but I know that I might be alone. Fell in the worst kind of way. You took all of my time and didn't give it back to me. Wasn't enough, and I don't know what to say. You wanna fall in love, but don't wanna feel the pain. And I'm so low, cause I don't know if I'm alone, if I'm alone.
And that's the workout. I hope you enjoyed this core workout. Great job surviving all the way through. Check out my app for free schedules, and I'll see you in the next workout. Bye!